know that for YouTube to push out a video to a whole lot of people, there's something you need to do. For YouTube to suggest your videos, for your videos to be among the SEO videos, you have to do something. Okay, so now I'm going to be telling you two things. Then I'm going to take you to our YouTube dashboard for you to turn on some settings so that YouTube will push out your videos to your own kind of audience. Now, the number one thing I want to tell you is that you have to be consistent. Okay, you that is starting, you have to be consistent. Keep posting, if possible, every day. Like me, I bring out posts every day. Okay, I am bringing out posts everything. Anytime you don't see me post, is I don't have data. All right, but I'm posting regularly every day. When you post regularly every day, you find that YouTuber will pick your page as someone that is serious. For example, now if you are working now and you're going to work every day, your boss will see you and recognize, ah, this person is a very serious person, oh, and she's coming to work every day. Your boss will appreciate you more than the ones that are not coming to work, right? The number two things you need to do is that you need to copy your big YouTubers. Look at for what they are doing. Copy from them. Copying is allowed. Recreate your own, okay? So that as people are watching their videos, yours too will pump out. Copy their titles, copy their thumbnails, okay? So that as they're watching their videos, your own too will pop out of their screen, and with God helping us, they will click and watch our own as well. So these are the two things I have to tell you. And then you have to turn on some settings in your YouTube dashboard, okay? I'm not talking about the YouTube studio, I'm talking about your dashboard, okay? The desktop version. You have to go there and then fix everything you need to fix, okay? If you don't know how to get to your YouTube dashboard, just go to your Chrome browser and type YouTube dashboard. When you type YouTube dashboard, they are going to take you to your dashboard, okay, immediately. Okay, when you get to YouTube dashboard, that's where you're going to see everything. So this setting I'm about to do, I'm going to take you there, and then you set up or turn on these things so that YouTube will keep recommending your videos to a larger audience. Okay, so if this is your first time of seeing my face, hello, thank you for watching this video. Please help me click on the subscribe button. What we do here is to talk about legit money making platforms and then how to grow our YouTube channel. Okay, so if this is anything that you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button and let's vibe together. All right, so without wasting your precious time, let me go and share with you these particular settings you need to turn on so that YouTube will start recommending your videos. Don't say the algorithm hates you, okay? They don't, okay? It's when you do some certain things that is when YouTube will push out your videos to your own kind of audience, okay? So without wasting your time, let me go and share with you. So guys, these are some settings that you need to optimize aside posting regularly every day and then copying from your top content creators. Okay, you need to optimize these settings as well. So I've gotten to my YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio, the dashboard version. That is my dashboard. Okay, YouTube dashboard, sorry. So this is it. So when you upload a video, make use of good titles. Okay, make use of good titles. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be sharing with you guys where I get my titles and my descriptions from. Okay, so now after putting your descriptions and your titles, so after that you have to always put this thing at made for kids. Okay, this video is set for made for kids. That is because I've automatically set it as not made for kids, because my channel, I don't do videos for kids. Okay, so I automatically set it as no, it's not made for kids. But if you want to continually going to the place to to click on yes, it's made for, if you let me say create content that is for kids, you can actually turn this place on and turn the first one off. This one that says yes, it's made for kids, okay, you can turn this first one up instead of the second one. But my channel, I am not making children video. So moving on, so when you click on this show more, is showing less because I've clicked on show more. So you click on this show more. When you click on this show more, it's going to be showing you more option. Guys, I'm teaching you how you can, that all these places will show when you click, when you want to upload your videos. Okay, so make use of all these places very well. All right, so when you come to this place, Alright, do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or kinikon. I used to click on no. Alright, so it's no, just read it and just mark it as no. Alright, and then when you come to these tags, these places are automatically ticked by automatic chapters and they are automatically ticked by YouTube. So now when you come to these tags, you have to make use of these tags as well. Look for creators that are bigger than you. Okay, look for them and then make use of those tags. Very make use of their names. First of all, you need to input your name. Mine is Grow with Grace, so my own is there. My own is there. All right. So I didn't even put the amas. I just left it there. So put the names of the people that is ahead of you, like the big content creators or big YouTubers that are in your niche that is bigger than you, that is having views. Always impute their names. The reason why you're doing this, so that immediately people finish watching their videos, your own will pump out of their screen. Okay, so these tags are very important. Don't play with these tags. Okay, I've told you the reason. Have you ever watched a video where when you finish watching, another video will pump out of your screen? That is because they have made use of these tags. Okay, so always tag your people, any niche that you are in, tag the people, use their name, write their names here, okay, so that your videos will appear after their own. Okay, when their subscribers has finished watching their videos, yours too will appear. This place that says video language, you put it on in English. If you are creating content in French, you put it, look for French. Any language at all, you put it like that. All right, let's move on. Always make use of these tags to this license. Okay, this allow embedding means that I'm going to make a video of the effects, the positive and negative effects of turning on this embedding and this publish your subscribers feed. I'm going to make a separate video about this, but always leave it on, don't turn it on. This video is turned off. I think I mistakenly turned this publish to subscribers feed off. Okay, so now this allow embedding is that when we want to turn this place off, sorry, when we want to turn this place on, like the way it's ticked like this, the two places supposed to be ticked like this, but it's just one place that is ticked. I don't know what happened. Maybe mistakenly I ticked this place off. I don't know. As I'm doing this video, that's when I'm seeing it. So once you tick this allow embedding on, YouTube is going to, recommend your videos to people that has not subscribed to your channel. So immediately you post a video, YouTube is going to recommend your videos to people that has not, subscribed to your channel. Once you turn this allow embedding off, then turn this publish to subscribers feed, YouTube will only recommend your videos to people that are subscribed to your channel. Know the two, okay? YouTube only suggest your videos to people that has already subscribed to your channel. So know the two very well. So it's better you leave the two on, so that YouTube will recommend the videos to your subscribers and also take it out to people that has not subscribed to your channel, so that your videos can go viral. So leave these two on. Okay, so in my next video or in my subsequent videos, I'm going to be telling you the effects of these two very well. So leave these two places on like the way you are seeing. Okay, then allow video and audio remixing. That's why you're telling YouTube that anybody can take your videos, repost and share your videos. Then you say allow only audio remixing. You understand? They don't say don't allow remixing. If you turn on this don't allow remixing, nobody can take your videos to post anywhere, website or their channel or Facebook, and nobody can take it. So know that. But if you allow this video and audio remixing, YouTube, anybody can take your videos. And my advice to us that is upcoming is that we should leave it like this, so that anybody can take it. So you know that when they are watching, the videos are going viral, so leave it like that. All right. So now this category too is another important thing that you need to take note of. Okay, for my niche I talk about money making platforms and then YouTube growth. So I'm going to be leaving it at how to. If you click on this arrow here, it's going to be showing you different options. Okay, you have the gaming, we have education, entertainment, auto and vehicles, traveling and the rest. If you are creating content around travels, you click on travels and events. If you create content around sports, you create content around sport. That is, you are telling YouTube that this is what I'm doing. So YouTube is going to recommend your videos to those people that love your kind of niche. Okay, so don't joke with this category. They are recommending your videos to a particular category of people. Okay, so you need to turn this place on. Don't be deceived that people are saying this place doesn't work. No, it works. Okay, so that YouTube will recommend your videos to that particular kind of person. All right, those category of people. Okay, that is what you are telling the YouTube that this is what my channel is all about. So mine is how to make money, how to grow your YouTube channel. That is why I leave it as how and style. Okay, so you look for your niche and then click on the one that is associated to your own niche. Okay, so then moving on, then your comment and rating, choose if and how you want to show comments. Of course, you leave it on so that you can be seeing your comments, how you can improve on it, and all those kind of things. Okay, so these are the basic settings that you need to turn on. That you need to leverage on, that you need to set up so that your videos will do well. Okay, and then aside that, always upload your thumbnails. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to be explaining more, okay, in our subsequent videos. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. Like I've said before, if this video was helpful, please help me like, comment. Okay, I'm going to be telling you these cards, end screen, and subtitles in subsequent videos as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.